Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you were sleeping. It's not from some scam, not from a lottery ticket, but from real online income that you built yourself. Sounds impossible? Well, it isn't. Thousands of people around the world are doing this every single DIVN people with no experience, no fancy skills, and no investment. So here's the big question. If you had just a laptop, a phone, and 1 hour a day, how much money could you really make online? Today I'm going to show you 7 of the most reliable, beginner-friendly, and proven methods to earn money online in 2025. And the best part, anyone can start these even today. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Badrul Islam, Suman digital marketer, SEO specialist, and someone who has spent years helping people grow online, build income streams, and turn basic digital skills into real earnings. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by fake, get-rich-quick tutorials or confused about where to start, don't worry, this video is going to break everything down in a simple, realistic way. We'll cover fast methods you can start immediately, skill-based methods that pay more as you improve, and long-term income streams that can eventually make money around the clock. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal the method that helped me make money even while I was offline and how you can set it up for free. So grab a notebook, stay focused, and let's get into how you can start earning real money online, starting today. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest and most realistic ways to start earning money online, even if you're a complete beginner. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you offer simple services: writing, video editing, graphic design, SEO, social media management, virtual assistants, and more. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know a little more than the average person. The key is to create a clean, professional profile that highlights your strengths and includes sample work. If you have no portfolio yet, create a few mock samples just to show your skills. Start with smaller jobs so you can build reviews quickly, then increase your prices as you gain confidence. Even basic services can earn $10 to $50 per project, and skill-based work can go much higher. If you enjoy working from anywhere, choosing your clients, and getting paid per task, freelancing is a perfect starting point. Method 2. Online selling. Dropshipping online. Selling, especially dropshipping, is one of the most powerful ways to earn money without storing any products yourself. The idea is simple. You pick products that are already trending, list them on your store, and suppliers ship them directly to your customers. No inventory, no warehouse, no upfront bulk orders. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easy to open a store in just a few hours. The most important part is choosing the right products, something unique, useful, or visually appealing. Then create simple ads or use social media to attract buyers. Once the sale comes in, your supplier handles the shipping, and you keep the profit margin. This method does require learning marketing basics, but many beginners start with just one winning product and scale from there. If you like the idea of running an online business without touching a single package, dropshipping is a great method to explore. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn money by recommending products or services you already use or trust. You don't need to create your own product, manage customers, or handle shipping. All you do is share special affiliate links, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Programs like Amazon Associates, Impact Radius, and software companies like Canva or Hostinger offer easy signups. The trick is to create helpful content: short videos, blog posts, product comparisons, or reviews that naturally include your affiliate links. You can do this on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or even a simple website. The better your content solves a problem, the more clicks and sales you get. Beginner commissions may be small, but once you build consistent traffic, this becomes one of the most passive income methods available. If you prefer recommending rather than selling, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn online. Method 4. Content creation. Content creation has become one of the most rewarding online income paths because you can earn money without even showing your face. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels pay creators through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key is choosing a niche. Fun facts, tutorials, tech, finance, motivational videos, storytelling, or trending topics. You don't need expensive equipment. Even a smartphone and free editing apps can produce great content. The formula is simple. Create short, engaging videos consistently. Use trending topics and add value in every clip. Once you build an audience, brands start reaching out, and your videos can generate income long after they're uploaded. Even faceless channels like slideshow videos, AI voiceovers, or simple animations can go viral. If you love sharing ideas, entertaining people, or teaching something quickly, content creation is a long-term income stream that grows as your creativity grows. Method 5. Online courses and coaching, if. You know a skill even, a basic one you can turn that knowledge into an online course or coaching program. Platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to upload lessons and start earning. You don't need to be a top expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone who wants to learn. Start by choosing a topic you're good at. Digital marketing, fitness, cooking, language skills, photo editing, or any practical skill. Break it into simple lessons and record short videos or create downloadable PDFs. People are willing to pay for clear, step-by-step guidance they can learn at their own pace. Once your course is live, you can earn money repeatedly from the same content. Coaching is another option, offering one-on-one, help, or group sessions. If you enjoy teaching and guiding others, this method lets you earn while creating real impact. Method 6. AI tools for income. AI has made it easier than ever to earn money online, even without traditional skills. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, AI, Descript, and Midjourney allow you to create content, designs, scripts, voiceovers, and digital products incredibly fast. For example, you can use AI to write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, design social media posts, or produce ebooks. Many people use AI to create templates, planners, resumes, or graphics and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Others offer AI-powered services like caption writing, keyword research, or video editing. The key is learning how to give good prompts and combining AI output with your creativity. This method is perfect for beginners because AI does most of the heavy lifting. And you can scale your income by offering multiple products or services. If you want a fast, modern way to start earning, AI tools are an incredible opportunity. Method 7. Remote work and microjobs. Remote work is ideal for people who want stable income without commuting or working on site. Many companies now hire remote workers for roles like virtual assistant, data entry, support agent, content moderator, or social media manager. Websites like RemoteOK, FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, and Indeed list thousands of remote positions. If you prefer small tasks instead of long-term jobs, microjob platforms like ClickWorker, Epin, Microworkers, and Amazon MTurk pay you per task, such as labeling images, reviewing content, testing apps, or completing surveys. These tasks don't require skills, and you can do them from your phone. While microjobs won't make you rich, they are a great way to earn extra money quickly. Remote jobs, on the other hand, can become full-time careers. If you want flexibility, consistent pay, and the freedom to work from anywhere, this method offers a reliable and practical way to earn online. Closing script. Now that you know 7 proven ways to earn money online, from freelancing, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing to content creation, online courses, AI tools, and remote jobs, the next step is simple. Pick one method and focus on it. Trying to do everything at once will only slow you down. Remember, your first $10 online is the hardest. After that, momentum builds, and opportunities grow faster than you expect. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical tips, and comment below which method you want a full step-by-step tutorial on. And stay tuned, because my next video will show exactly how to earn your first $100 online without spending a single cent. Your online income journey starts today, so take action now.